Guilty but Happy, Alex's Confessions. Hi, my name is Alex, and I have a secret. Well, maybe a lot of secrets. They're not world-ending secrets, or even particularly dramatic ones. They're just the stuff I do when no one is watching. The habits I'd never admit to in the brightly lit cafeteria at lunch. Consider this my official confession booth. First up, the binge. I swear I meant to get 8 hours of sleep last night. I really did. But then one episode of that perfectly ridiculous historical drama turned into 5, and suddenly it's 3 a.m. My alarm goes off 3 hours later, and I look like a zombie, but I know exactly who won the medieval baking competition. Then there's the time travel. You know how your phone archives every ridiculously awkward thing you've ever texted? I go back and read them. I read the messages from 7th grade where I tried to use groovy unironically. I read the detailed 5-paragraph essay I sent my best friend about why the villain was actually right. The cringe is overwhelming, yet I cannot stop. I am a secret hoarder of useless things. I keep the tiny plastic rings from soda bottles. I keep every ticket stub from every movie, even the terrible ones. I have a whole shoebox dedicated to dried up flower petals and oddly shaped rocks. Do I need them? No. Do I look at them? Rarely. But they are mine, and they represent moments. Even if those moments were just, I bought a churro that day. My musical tastes are a carefully constructed facade. On my public playlists, cutting-edge indie rock and sophisticated jazz. But when I'm home alone, cooking mac and cheese, it's pure, unadulterated 90s dance pop. I know every word to songs involving platform shoes and questionable neon windbreakers. And yes, I absolutely practiced the dance moves in the kitchen. And the wardrobe crisis. Sometimes, when my parents are out, I dedicate 30 minutes just to trying on outfits I would never, ever wear to school. Full formal wear with combat boots? Check. That sparkly top from the costume box and a pair of swimming goggles? Done? It's pure fashion experimentation, ending only when I feel silly enough to stop. It sounds kinda silly, written down like this. I used to worry that these habits made me weird, or lazy, or childish, that I should be spending my time doing more productive, serious, teenage-approved things. I worried someone would walk in on me, mid-dance move or mid-cringe read, and judge me forever. But now, I realize that these little quirks, these moments of secret joy and honest silliness, are what make me, me. They are my decompression chamber. They don't hurt anyone, and they make life a little more fun. So I'll keep hitting next episode at 3 a.m. and dancing to questionable power ballads. I am weird. I am messy. I am completely myself, guilty, but happy.